Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 758 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Hut 8 is purchasing the data center business from TGO. BIGG Digital Assets has shared an update on its subsidiary, Blockchain Intelligence Group, and DMGI Blockchain has published its annual review for 2021. Just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Hut 8 Mining Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker HUT, has entered into a definitive agreement to purchase the cloud and co-location data center business from TGO Inc. TGO trades on the TSX, by the way, under the ticker TGO. Now, this data center business comprises 5 data centers across Canada with existing saleable power capacity of 4.1 megawatts and a further 1.5 megawatts of expansion capacity. Hut 8's CEO Jamie Leverton explained further, quote, "As a team of Bitcoin and blockchain bulls, we are thrilled with the transformative growth opportunity this investment provides Hut 8. The acquisition of this complementary business diversifies Hut 8's operations with a discrete, steady cash flow that is uncorrelated to digital asset mining. This acquisition also puts us at the forefront of the accelerated digitization of industry, establishing us as the bridge between traditional and nascent iterations of high-performance computing. Our unconventional approach to revolutionizing conventional assets serves to drive Hut 8's growth, innovation, and market share in the high-performance computing, blockchain, and Web 3.0 industries." End quote. BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has shared a full corporate update and 2022 outlook for its cryptocurrency compliance and intelligence subsidiary, Blockchain Intelligence Group, also BIG if you prefer. Lance Morgan, the company's president, said, quote, "Blockchain Intelligence Group is winning more competitive bid situations. On numerous occasions in 2021, clients said they picked Blockchain Intelligence Group for its quality of data and attribution for nefarious addresses. We have said from day one our growth begins with the quality of our data, granularity of information, and timeliness of attribution. We also hear how easy our services are to use and understand. Our team has done an excellent job developing what the industry is calling best-in-class forensic tools with an unparalleled user experience. I am excited about what the future holds as being one of the global thought leaders in cryptocurrency intelligence and analysis." End quote. DMG Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker DMGI, has published its annual review for 2021. Highlights include the mining of 66.71 bitcoins for the year, the addition of 441 S19J Pro miners, and the addition of 45 petahash per second of hash rate. Sheldon Bennett, the company's CEO, said, quote, 2021 was a monumental year for DMG. We launched a clear strategy which was communicated through 2 initiatives, Core and Core Plus, building strategic partnerships with the likes of Argo, Zodia Brain, and Bosonic, to name a few, put DMG at the forefront of industrial mining operations and software. The company has secured 1 exahash of mining equipment through purchase orders, with Bitcoin miners delivered throughout 2022, as well as successfully launched our first Bitcoin mining pool, with a second pool soon to become public. Looking back, the company's achievements will be a springboard for a banner growth year in 2022. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.